Peace and blessings, my beautiful people. My name is Abril, your resident herbalist, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty Herbs and Tea, where we bring the beauty and the fun to herbs and holistic health. So I know y'all, it looks a little different in here, and that is because we are on location right now. I am filming right now. I'm recording some amazing content for you all, but more on that later. So I actually wanted to come on here and answer one of the questions that I got posted on my community post, was just to give us an update on my tea business. The last time I gave you all an update on my tea business was when I actually first started. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give you all an update on my tea business. So yes, this video will be all things beauty, herbs, and tea, which is the name of my tea business. Okay, so since I last talked about my tea business, so much has happened, you all. So much has happened. But I'm gonna take it back to the beginning, okay? For those of you who did not see that video, I'm going to go ahead and refresh you all how I started with my tea business. So I started my business in November 2020, actually November 5th, 2020 to be exact. And I started my business, and my first few weeks of sales, I got $0 in sales, y'all. I made $0. Nobody bought my tea. I even had to harass family and friends, y'all, to buy some tea. That is sad, okay? That is so sad. But yes, I made $0 in sales. And then, like I said in that video, I was a little depressed and discouraged, but I'm like, you know what? Abril, you are a hustler, okay? You are not going to let that stop you from making money. By month 2 and 3, I hit over $20,000 in sales. Yes, I know, it is bananas. So for my business, I started off with 3 tea blends. So my most popular tea blend is going to be my Anxiety. You see that name there? I know it's not original. It's not original, but it's catchy. Oh, it's catchy. I love a catchy name. I love a little punny name. So my Anxiety I actually have right here. This is my Anxiety. You probably can't see it because I'm so far away. Let me see if I can get up. Bring it a little closer. Come on, focus. There we go. This is my Anxiety. So this is one of the first blends that I actually created. In this blend, I have passion flower, skullcap, chamomile, lemon balm, and linden. And those are going to be amazing herbs for your anxiety, for your mental health. If you are feeling anxious, tense, just stressed out, overwhelmed, y'all, this is the best tea for this. Y'all, this tea is my best seller. This tea actually sells out whenever I go to a pop-up shop because it is that good. This tea right here, when I tell y'all this tea right here hits, okay, it hits, okay. It actually has a physical altering effect on the body. So when you drink this, within about 30 minutes, you're gonna be like, whoa. I definitely feel relaxed. I definitely feel good. That is my Anxiety. The next blend that I have is going to be my, the next blend that I have is going to be my Immunity. And of course, y'all can't see it because I'm so far away. So let me go ahead and move a little bit closer. Okay. There we go. My Immunity, this tea, I actually had to change the formula a little bit, but we'll talk about that later. So this tea has echinacea, elderberry, elderflower, licorice root, schizandra berry, and cinnamon. So in this tea, or let me tell you the story about this tea. So this tea originally had echinacea, elderberry, lemon, and ginger. So with this tea, a lot of people were giving me feedback, and they said that they had to add sweetener to it. And I'm like, well, yeah, that's what you typically have to do to teas. But I was realizing that this tea was getting low sales, and I thought it was because of the actual taste to it, because it wasn't a sweet tasting tea, and it was a tea that you had to add sweetener to it. I'm like, okay, y'all, I hear y'all. Let me go back to the drawing board. And I actually changed the formula to this blend, and I added sweet tasting herbs. So I added licorice root, and I added cinnamon to make the tea more palatable to non-tea drinkers. Us tea drinkers, we don't care about no honey or no sugar. We will take tea straight to the head, okay? But you want to be conscious of your customer and your customer needs. And in a business, you are always pivoting and making changes. You are never static in your business. Remember that. Whenever you have to change it, okay? So the third blend that I sell is called my Breed Tea. Now, I couldn't think of a catchy name. So I have my Anxiety, the previous blend that I showed you. I'm not sure if I said the name to that blend, but that is my Immunity. And this blend is my Breathe Tea. It's a respiratory support blend. And I could not think of a catchy name for that, y'all. I'm like, what would go on theme? Respiratory tea? Breathy tea? So yeah, that tea, this tea is just a simple green tea. And of course, let me get a little closer so you all can see the actual ingredients in this tea. So this tea has mullein, echinacea, licorice root, and hibiscus. This is a very, very simple tea blend, but this tea blend actually tastes delicious. This is actually my second popular tea blend that I sell. People love the flavor of this tea. This tea is going to be a great respiratory support tea. So it's going to help with anything dealing with your lower respiratory system to your upper respiratory system. So anything, you know, from your lungs to your nasal passageways, this tea is good for. It's going to be good for asthma, bronchitis, sinus issues, congestion, runny nose, everything, y'all. And with the state of this world, with the pandemic that we have going on, this was a great tea to launch, and that's why it's been my second most popular blend. I also specialize in custom tea blends. So I actually started taking custom tea blend consultations, which is you come to me and I will formulate your own medicinal tea blend with whatever flavor you want, okay? I will give you a wellness tea to take care of any issue with, again, any kind of flavor. And that's what I specialize in. I specialize in medicinal custom tea blends. And I actually got a lot of clients that way. But I do have some of my sample custom tea blends that I have made for my clients. This is going to be a sample detox tea. I'm sorry, y'all, I did not feel like getting up. I don't feel like getting up, so I'll just yell across the room what's in this tea blend. This tea contains dandelion root, burdock root, milk thistle, licorice root, orange peel, cinnamon, and clove. This tea is delicious. It is going to be a chai flavored digestive tea. It's going to be good for anything digestive related. So gas, bloating, indigestion, nausea, anything that is making your stomach be upset, this tea is good for. Anything that is making your stomach, you know, feel a little off, this tea is good for. It's also a good detox blend as well, so it helps your body filter out any toxins that should not be there by way of your liver and other organs. This is a great tea. This is a popular blend that I would make for clients. Okay, so what else have I done? So I talked to you about my tea blends. I talked to you about my custom tea blends. I have also had workshops. I hosted my first workshop beginning of this year, I believe. I have also sold my teas at pop-up shops and farmers markets. Yes, when I first started my company, I was at 3 to 4 pop-up shops and farmers markets a week, y'all. When I tell y'all I was a hustler, I was not playing around. And that was actually very successful for me. I would sell out of my tea blends literally every time that I went. I have also sold my teas in the mall. Yes, I actually secured a kiosk at a local mall out here, at a mall called Glendale Galleria, and that was a great experience as well. I'm actually thinking about going back to the mall just because it's hot. It's a little hot, and you know, standing outside is not really fun. Okay, what else do I have going on? Oh, it's a big one. I have also secured multiple wholesale accounts, y'all. Yes, a few people actually reached out to me and said, hey, we love your tea blends. We love what you can do with some herbs. We would like for you to make tea for our business, for our company, and we sell it under our label. Now, that's called private labeling or white labeling, and I'm like, sure, why not? So yes, I have made multiple tea blends for a lot of actual major companies out here, and that was one of my more prouder moments that I've had with my blend. I'm like, y'all, we made it. We made it. We out here making tea blends for other companies and other customers, and that actually took my business in a whole different direction. So since I've launched my business and since my business has been so successful, I have actually been coaching y'all. I have been coaching you all on how to start a tea business, how to blend medicinal teas, everything that I have learned in such a short amount of time, and I've been successful at it. I have been coaching you all and teaching you. So if you require any help with your business, go ahead and click the link in the bio and sign up for a consultation. I can help provide advice and assistance on any questions that you had herbal business related, whether it's on the tea side or the business side. Again, so if you need any help with your business or have any questions, go ahead and use the link in the description box and you can book a consultation with me. And so now let's get into why I am in this lovely kitchen and not in my herb office. I am actually coming out with 3 courses, y'all, okay? I am actually filming 2 of those courses right now. And so the first course that I am launching is, can you guess? It is a tea blending course, y'all. Of course, because I am the master at tea. I love me some tea and I'm all about tea. And so this course is called Mastering Tea Blending and Formulation. And I am going to teach you how to make medicinal tea, or tea for pleasure too. If you want to learn how to put together herbs that are going to work for your company, if you want to learn the science behind blending tea and making a medicinal formula, it is a science behind it. It is a science that most herbalists use. There is an actual method that most herbalists use to blend and make medicinal teas. I am going to teach you that in this course. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this course will be launched, y'all, in a few weeks. I held up to, I don't know if it's going to be launched in 2 weeks, but hopefully it will be launched in a few weeks. My second course that I am launching is called my Herbal Business Assistant course. Now this course, y'all, is my baby. I am so excited about this course because I have helped so many of you start and launch your business. I decided to take all of that knowledge that I have learned, that I've been giving to you on these videos and personally through consultations, and put it into a course. Yes, this course, y'all, is amazing. Now this course is going to help you either start or grow your herbal business. And in this course, we're going to cover everything from conception, from idea to marketing, to growing, to wholesale accounts, the legal side, being FDA compliant, how to get this license and that license, everything you need to know to start your business, we are going to cover in this course, y'all. This course is amazing. There is not a course right now currently like this course. So I'm super excited about that course. That course will be coming out soon, okay? If you would like to sign up for either one of the courses, go ahead and click on the link in the description box. And if you sign up for one course, it will give you notifications for both of them. So you only have to do it one time. But that will put you on the wait list for this course, and you will be notified when both of these courses launch. And if you sign up before the course launches, everyone who signs up will receive an exclusive discount to my course, y'all. That is only if you sign up for the wait list right now. So again, go ahead and click on the link in the bio to sign up for the wait list and to receive exclusive notifications about the launch date and about discounts. But that is it, y'all. I know I have been talking. But that is all I have for you all today. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed, and I will see everybody in the next video.